The D5000 simplifies flash photography by coming equipped with a built-in pop-up flash. In some of the point-and-shoot modes, the flash will pop up automatically whenever the camera determines that it's needed. In other point-and-shoot modes, the camera will never pop up the flash, and you can't pop it up manually either. However, when you're using any of the advanced modes, you can manually pop up the flash whenever you decide that you want to use it. The decision is completely up to you, and the camera will never pop up the flash on its own in these modes. To open the flash and turn it on, you just press the flash button to release it, and then take the picture. When you're done, just press the flash down until it clicks back into place. Now, flash photography with the D5000 is usually just that simple. But naturally, the camera also allows you to customize the flash to facilitate creative photography and/or deal with unusual situations. The flash mode is what determines how the flash is fired when you take a picture. Here's how to change the flash mode. First, press the I button. Scroll to the flash mode icon and press OK. The choices you'll see will be determined by which exposure mode you're using. Right now, this camera is set for aperture priority mode. This icon means fill flash, and it's considered the normal flash mode for most photography. The next choice simply adds red eye reduction to the fill flash mode. The next two modes are called slow sync with red eye reduction and slow sync without red eye reduction. These modes attempt to achieve a pleasing mix of ambient light and the much brighter light that's generated by the flash. Here's what I mean. On the left side is an image taken with the normal fill flash mode. The subject looks fine, but you have no sense of the surroundings because the flash has overpowered the ambient light. On the right side, we see what happens with slow sync. The camera was able to capture the subject along with the surroundings for a more natural look. The final flash mode is called rear curtain sync. When combined with a slow shutter speed, rear curtain sync can be used to capture realistic motion effects, such as streaks behind a moving subject, as seen here. If you would like to know more about using flash with your D5000, I recommend getting a copy of the Magic Lantern Pro Guide Nikon AF Speedlight Flash System. It offers comprehensive information on using Nikon's creative lighting system.